Here, let's try this one, okay, sweetie?
Oh my God.
Oh,
Look, baby. Look at the camera.
He's like, no.
Fun. Right?
Let's do that, okay? Hold on.
You ready? You have to leave it on, okay? I'll help you, okay? You gotta leave it on. She's gonna be asking you questions so you can hear it. Okay?
Now we'll go and dig.
You gonna take it off? You did.
Yeah. I will go.
Do you hear the little noise
Yeah.
in your ear? Let's hear the little noise, okay? Tell me when you hear it. Okay?
You gotta raise your hand, left or right, okay? This one, no. You can say like, oh, I can hear it. It's just checking how your hearing is. No, you're gonna have to leave it on, babe.
Here, do you want to play with this one?
Yeah.
A lot of children do it, baby. Your first test when you were born. Your second day. No, babe. Oh my gosh, I'm not even paying attention. Oh my goodness.
No, it's okay.
Go down.
What is
Yeah,
this?
let's clean it.
What's
Let's
that?
take it off.
Oh, it's cute.
He's so cute. But he's letting himself, you know,
He says a lot of words. He asks a lot of questions. So it's like, you know.
Here, hold on.
Alright, baby. Leave it in this time, okay?
Hold on.
No. You have to, I'm gonna have to hold your hand, okay? Because you're not understanding that you're supposed to leave this piece of, it's like an earphone, like music.
Hold on. Let's see if you hear the little noise, okay? Here it goes.
Can you hear it? Yes or no?
I want.
It's not a bad thing. It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to.
I want this.
Yeah, you hear it now?
Do you hear the little noise?
Yeah.
What does it sound like?
Ooh.
Oh, and it passed too.
What happened?
It passed.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
How does that work? Like, how does it pass? Like,
It just sends noises to the ear, and then it reads it.
oh, okay, so like he like understands and like, okay, cool.
Yeah. Well, it's just a little noise. Like when you put it in the ear, it's like a little beeping noise.
And then it like read it
Read
because
it,
like
yeah.
this, like.
Yeah, and it just sends the sound.
Yeah.
That was super fast, huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fun, Z. So
Yeah.
like you wouldn't do it on both ears, or the first one already went through?
Yeah, it already passed.
Oh, that was like the first question? Oh my gosh, that was so fast. I didn't even notice. I thought you were just like telling him like, oh, great.
Oh,
it-
what's
That's
that?
cool.
Once he leaves it in there, it's like super
That's
fast.
fast. That's good thing.
I like that one.
You like it? Let me see
Okay,
if I
you're
can
done
get.
here now, okay?
Let me
Z?
see if I can get your mommy's signature.
Come on. You're not
You
here.
can just sign
I
it
like
for me.
it. I like it.
And that's for his hearing test.
Oh my gosh. Today's the third, right?
Yes. 22. I keep putting 21 and everything.
And I put 12.
Okay. And then I have other forms for you if you could sign.
Sounds good.
That's like
And this is just to, stating that you're wanting to go with Aprendamos. If you could just sign for me right here. And then you... Oh, careful, sweetie.
Baby, chill, okay? You gotta relax yourself. You gotta relax, baby.
That's my watch, sweetie. And then this is just over the questions that we went over doing the phone. And you still didn't want us to request medical records?
I
their
mean,
primary-
like, I just don't want him to have nothing to do with that doctor. I just want him to, like, I want to get a new doctor for him. I don't really
Okay.
want to just, like,
that.
so I haven't been there for
I
a while.
want
Yes.
I just want, like, a new doctor, a new,
Okay. And then if you could just sign here. And I know you were working on getting his Medicaid insurance.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What's
You
that?
should He should have
What's
insurance.
this?
Okay.
What's
I don't
that?
know if it's Medicaid
What's
right
that?
now. No, wait. I don't know what insurance he has right now. If
What's
he has
that?
Medicaid right now.
It's a bus.
Okay, it's
I don't
okay.
know, cause I just have to see if I'm gonna get his card or not already. Like,
Okay.
I mean, of course he's gonna have Medicaid, but I mean, like, I don't know what insurance he's gonna have right now.
And it's okay. We could do it through the Department of Health.
Okay, cool. That's cool. That's fun. Yeah. I thought he had already had Medicaid, but I guess he doesn't. Like,
Okay.
I don't know what happened, but
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know. It was weird. I thought he really did. Like,
Okay.
no.
If we find it, do you want us to use the Medicaid or do you want us to do the Health Department?
However, I'll find it. If not, it could go through there.
Okay. If you do happen to find it, you could just
Okay.
text me the number. If not, then it's okay. Well, thank you for being very patient.
Yeah,
You're so good.
I mean, like, you took it off a couple of times, but I mean, you're gonna be fine.
Yeah.
You know, next time you'll know.
And then for the evaluation, you wanted to get it done here?
Yeah.
And then we only have the 13th, which is a Thursday at 1 p.m.
Alright,
Would
yeah,
that
that's
work?
cool. That's
I know
fine
you wanted
too.
it on Wednesday, but...
But Thursday's cool. It's like almost like the same thing, kind of.
Okay. Well, sounds good. Then I'll schedule you for